If you're learning the language, putting in time, but not making real progress because the apps you use just teach words and phrases, and YouTube videos are too disconnected, you learn words in one video, grammar in another, then you'll want structured lessons that teach you practical conversations, get you speaking, and build on each other so you can level up your language. And that's exactly how our audio and video lessons inside our learning system work. And in this guide, you'll discover how to start learning with the audio and video lessons, how you start speaking in just a few minutes, and special tips and tricks for learning even faster. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. So let's jump in. I'll guide you through our learning system so you get to see exactly what's inside and our members-only study tools. How can you access the lessons? You get the lessons the moment you sign up for a free lifetime account. When you sign up for a free lifetime account and set your level, you get a pathway of lessons that are right for your level. You'll find Lesson 1 waiting for you on the dashboard. Just click on Go to Lesson to get started. Audio and video lessons are about 3 to 15 minutes long, so you can quickly finish a lesson whenever you have some spare minutes. You get to hear the language as it's spoken by real native speakers, and it's much easier to learn because you only have to listen to an audio lesson or watch a video lesson. You're not reading a textbook, which is comparably much harder to do. You can also access the lessons on the app, Innovative Language Learning. How the lessons work. Just press play to learn.
Hey, Vicky.
Hi, Mike. How's it going?
Great. How about you? How are you doing?
Not so good.
Oh no, what's wrong?
Oh, classes start tomorrow.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Lessons are made by real teachers and professional voice actors. First, you'll hear a dialogue between two native speakers. Then you'll hear it again, slowed down and translated. And then our teachers will explain the main grammar point of that lesson, plus explain the vocabulary and cultural nuances that come up. At the end, you'll hear that conversation one last time, but this time you'll understand it. After you're done, just mark the lesson as complete, and we'll guide you to the next lesson, which builds upon what you learned last. So you go from learning basic greetings in Lesson 1 to introducing yourself in Lesson 2 to asking how someone is in Lesson 3, and all the way from beginner level to advanced. Master the lessons even faster with a few special tips and tricks. First, read along with our free lesson transcript, so as you listen or watch, follow along. You'll never miss a word and learn faster. Transcripts are available with every lesson. Second, replay and review the lesson as much as you want. You can even download the lesson to review offline if you want. Third, if you have a question, you can leave a comment on the lessons. Our teachers will respond. Fourth, you can review the lesson dialogue with the premium dialogue track. And you can also use it to immerse yourself in the language, because the dialogue track gives you just the conversation in the target language. So, if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account.